So more people have linked this over to me. Filipino songs that sound like foreign/international songs, the 80s edition. Now 80s have so many classic songs, especially in the Philippines. There's actually like some songs on my playlist that you guys have linked over to me, and I've honestly loved so much that I added to my playlist, of course, from the recent times, but there is also one from my 80s, 90s that I've been absolutely loving. We all know Jose Merichan. Hopefully I pronounced his name right, but I have him still. His song is so beautiful. There's so many more, I guarantee. So I'm excited to check this out. You guys link this over. So without further ado, come join me. Let's go.
Sabi nila, ang year 1980s ay ang golden age of music.
Yeah.
Totoo naman.
Look,
dahil sa mga panahong ito ay sumikat ang mga slow rock, ballad,
oh, of course,
at R&B love songs,
yeah, the R&B
which
love
is
songs,
nag-originate sa Amerika. At kalaunay sumikat din pati sa Pilipinas. Dahil lubang magaling at malikhain tayong mga Pinoy sa pagkanta, ay madaming OPM songs ang na-release noong 80s na kasing level ng mga kanta sa Amerika. Kaya gumawa ako ng list ng mga Filipino songs na mapagkakamalan mong international dahil sa ganda nito. You by Mr. Basil Valdez.
Oh my god, his voice. He has that deep depth in his voice. Oh my goodness.
Sa komposisyon ng kanyang matalik na kaibigan.
Why is the Philippines so filled with so many amazing voices, bro? Like,
nanalo agad ito ng 7 beses sa Cecil Music Awards.
Like, I love his voice. His deepness is incredible.
Pati sa makabagong henerasyon ngayon, maraming singers ang gumawa ng kani-kanilang version ng You at ginawa pang theme song sa mga movie.
Like, bro,
Don't Know What to Say by Rex Segreto. Noong mga panahon,
and he has a beautiful, oh my God, look how many!
Ay maraming Pilipino ang nag-akala na isang foreign song ang Don't Know What to Say. Di rin naman natin masisisi ang mga Pinoy dahil si Rex Segreto ay may lahi talagang American. Ang kantang Don't Know What to Say ay kinompose ng isa sa pinakasikat na singer-composer sa Pilipinas noong 1980s, si Miss Odette Quezada. Ang tao sa likod ng mga sikat na kantang Till I Met You, Friend of Mine, at marami pang iba.
He has a wonderful voice. I would have believed he was a different artist.
O yung mga hopeless romantic people na hindi kayang sabihin ang kanilang nararamdaman para sa taong kanilang iniibig. Saklap, di ba? Farewell by Raymond Lauchenko.
Oh my goodness! And I've heard this song in so many karaoke's. I would have, wait, low key?
Para gawing isa sa mga soundtrack ng iconic.
I would have never believed that.
Na Bagets. Actually, ang kantang Farewell ay nasulat pa rin ni Miss Odette Quezada during her high school days. At gusto niyang i-record ito. Pero, di siya nagkaroon ng pagkakataon. 3 years later, ay pinaubayan na lang ito kay Raymond Lauchenko. Noong una, ay walang nagtiwala na sisikat ang kantang Farewell. Dahil ayon sa mga soundtrack producers ng Bagets, ang kantang tungkol sa pamamaalam ay malas.
Still with that deep, beautiful voice.
Ay hindi siya naniniwala sa
I
malas.
love when they keep it, man. They keep it and they never lose it.
Daw ng tao kung ano ang kanyang pinaghirapan.
Especially the feeling, bro.
Nagkatotoo naman ang pahayag na iyon ni Mr. Raymond. Dahil makalipas ang halos 36 years, popular pa rin ang kantang Farewell sa mga Pilipino.
Yeah.
Even If by Jam Morales.
Wait a minute.
Ito ay na-release noong year 1984.
This one I'm low-key shocked about. I've heard it in the karaoke and I thought it was...
Isa sa mga kanta na mapagkakamalan mo talagang international. Ang
Was this in another one too? Oh my gosh.
Singer na si Jam Morales ay mahihahalin tulad mo sa pinakasikat na singer sa
Yeah, no,
Amerika.
I've seen this in another compilation, but I completely forgot. Like, dude, what a
Sayang lang at
wonderful
maagang
voice.
nilisan
And
ni
by
Jam
the
ang
way,
music industry.
the style of the song,
Lumuwas
yeah.
siya ng abroad dahil sa financial issue ng kanyang pamilya that time. Sa ngayon, ay may sariling ng music school si Jam sa Mexico. At paminsan-minsan ay nagko-concert para sa mga OFW. Sa tuwing nagko-concert siya, ang kantang Even If ang labis na inaabangan ng mga tao. Bago tayo mag-proceed sa number 1 spot, ay pakinggan niyo muna ang ating mga honorable mentions.
Wait. Wait. Oh. Yes. Oh my goodness. I'm pretty sure I reacted to that one. That one was so beautiful.
We Live Again by Janet Basco.
I was lost in the dark.
Like, come on. Woo! Like, come on, bro.
Ang kantang ito ay originally written by Nonoy Tan.
Like,
at in-interpret
insane,
ni Miss
dude.
Janet Basco noong year 1982. At the same year, ay naging finalist din ito sa Metro Manila Pop Music Festival.
I was a
Ooh. This is how the kids learn. Look at the kids in the background hearing it. Like, they playing
Nagsimula
around it,
umusbong ang
but
career ni Miss Janet
it's in the back of their head. I'm telling
after
you.
niyang manalo ng first prize sa Noy TV show na Student Canteen.
Bro, it was so
Nag-release
amazing.
pa siya ng maraming kanta at nakakulab ang mga sikat na singers noong time na yon na si Jose Marichan.
Ah.
Kahit matagal nang wala
Man
sa music
himself.
industry, ay hindi itinuturing ni Miss Janet na retired ang kanyang sarili. Ma-attend pa rin siya sa mga guesting at patuloy na binabahagi ang kanyang talento sa harap o likod man ng kamera.
You know, I love videos like this because it introduces new songs to me, but also makes me feel that feeling from almost gratitude that we get to listen to songs like these, that we get to experience songs like these, and having seen the growth from OPM songs especially, because there's so many OPM songs that I love and listen to. And I've mentioned even before, I've gotten my friends on it and my girlfriend especially. I'm telling y'all, bro, these songs are so underrated by some people. They don't understand that these Filipino songs are so beautiful, and they're so talented when it comes to music. It's incredible. I have no idea if it was the Red Horse or if it's the goddamn Lumpia. We don't know, but we do know something. They're incredibly talented, and I will never stop loving these kinds of songs, and I will never stop listening to these kinds of songs. Thank you for linking us over, and thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Hey, if you liked it, leave a like. If you loved it, subscribe. If you want more, let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, till next time, guys. Peace.